Folks, I want to give you the opportunity to see a 2019 Honda Accord Hybrid, which is what this is right here, which happens to be probably one of the most quietest vehicles that I've ever pretty much have actually seen in person myself. I mean, the engine on this vehicle is so quiet pretty much that you won't even know that it's pretty much even on for most part. So I'm gonna have him, is it started up? Right now the vehicle is on. Okay, what's that? Yeah, pull forward a little bit. See your son, watch your door. All right, yeah, and I'm gonna pop the hood and let you look. Come pop the hood so they can actually. Yeah, the car right here is on. Sound like it got like a.
I got I'm turning the air conditioner off.
Okay, that noise you hear right there is just the air conditioner that's on. We about to turn that off. Now the AC's off, but the engine is still on. I'm gonna pop the hood to let you see and hear really how quiet that this car is. The engine is still on right now. I'm gonna pop the hood so you could actually look at it and hear it for yourself. I mean, it has to be the quietest engine. Yeah, this is the 2019 Honda Accord Hybrid. If you kind of look at the engine, and the engine is on right now. I mean, I'm getting close to it. Basically, I don't hear not one sound coming from this engine, but the engine is actually on. If you look at it, of course, if your headlights, looks pretty simple to get to stuff like that if you had to change it. Right over here in the side over here, and on the other side there's your battery, and then your other headlight, of course, to be over. You may have to remove some of these tabs right here to take that piece off of it, but it looks like you can just kind of get right here and just reach in there and turn it and unplug it, and it probably will come out. But yeah, this is a 2019 Honda Accord Hybrid. And this engine is actually on right now. The vehicle is on, but it's completely quiet. I'm getting close to it. I mean, you don't absolutely hear no noise whatsoever. It's completely silent. I'm going to back up a little bit. Go ahead and pull forward just a little bit in it.
Okay.
I'm going to have him pull forward so you all can see that the engine is on this vehicle. You're just going to pull up just a little bit. Like I said, it's completely quiet. See it pulling up? Alright, that's good. Yeah, that engine is on, but it's just a complete quiet engine pretty much. Alright folks, I'm going to give y'all a quick look in the inside of it. What the inside of it looks like. This right here is what the dashboard looks like on it. Right here pretty much, that's the dash. See, that's a car right now, it's in park, but the engine is on right now. Everything on it is on pretty much, but it's just super quiet. Yeah, as you can see right here, you have your middle console. You have some of your different options for the vehicle. And it's actually a spacious vehicle also. It has a lot of space, and I'm a pretty big guy. And I pretty much could fit in here pretty comfortably on my own pretty much. But alright folks, I just wanted to give y'all a look at this 2019 Honda Accord Hybrid. And the fact that this has to be one of the most quietest engines that I've pretty much have seen on my own, you know, my own eyes pretty much. And it's a nice spacious vehicle as well as it's quiet. But all right, please check out our other helpful videos and please subscribe. Thanks.